Welcome back. Another product rule problem, this time with three terms. So f of x equals x times 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is the primary point of this is just to demonstrate how to apply product rule when you've got three terms. The first term is x, the second term is 2x plus 1, the third term is 2x plus 1. I think I said plus here, I meant minus if I did. So, same as before, you take the derivative of one term, you keep the other two constant. Then you take the derivative of another term, keeping the other two constant, and so on. You could do this with an infinite number of terms. So, the derivative, we're going to go ahead and say f prime of x equals, and we're going to go in order. So, you take the derivative of the first term, x. The derivative of x is just 1. So, that's implied. We keep the other two the same. So, 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. And you know what? I'm going to need to write this smaller so you guys can see. I just don't want to run out of room. 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Okay. Then, adding. Always adding. So, plus, we are going to go ahead and keep this one the same, x. Take the derivative of the second one. The derivative of 2x minus 1 is just 2. So we can go ahead and write that in front, 2x. 2 comes from here, x is the x remaining the same right here, and then we multiply by 2x plus 1 because this remains constant. And then finally, we're going to add the third term. We're taking the derivative of the third one this time, keeping these two the same. So the derivative of this term is just 2. So we're going to go ahead and move that out front like we did last time. 2, and then we keep these two. There's the x, and then times 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. So that is fundamentally what product rule is. If you had to, if you were asked this on a test and you had to find the derivative and it wasn't necessarily demonstrate product rule, you could expand all of these, multiply everything out, and then take the derivative term by term. If you're asked to show product rule, you're going to have to do it this way, and then I'm guessing that almost certainly you're going to have to simplify this. So let's just go ahead and do that really quickly. 2x times 2x, 4x squared, 2x times 1 is going to be plus 2x, these two, minus 2x, and then negative 1 times 1 is minus 1, and then plus, now we're on to this part, and I'm going to go ahead and multiply that out. 2x times 2x, 4x squared, 2x times 1, plus 2x, and then plus, I'm going to go ahead and multiply these out as well. 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and 2x minus, or times negative 1 here, minus 2x. So then we can simplify. We've got 4, 8, 12, 12x squared, and then 2x minus 2x is 0, plus 2x is 2x, minus 2x is 0, and then negative 1, and that's everything. So 12x squared minus 1. And that is our final answer as the derivative of this problem, showing you how to apply product rule to this function. Thanks!